Hi, it's Andy Mead from Havi. What I'm going to talk about today is vibration tests. So we've got a drill, beautiful looking drill. You'll have seen it before in previous videos. And we've also got a vibration meter in the corner, which I've shown you as well. What we've also got is this, which I'll take you through in a second. So if we're measuring a drill, yeah, how do we carry out the measurement on it? Now, if you notice with this drill, we've got two handles on it, haven't we? Because it's hand-arm vibration, we can't just measure one handle and take that. So we've got to measure both handles as it shoots. Sorry if the phone goes off, just ignore that. Oh, yeah. It'll be fine. So we're going to do a measurement there and we're going to do a measurement there.
Yeah. Is that all right?
So we've got this here, this is your accelerometer. Yeah. You'd actually have to attach this to the drill where your hand's going to be. Yeah. Chrissy hasn't seen this. Interested. Say hello, Chrissy. There you go. So we've got this. It just goes on the tool here, and it's basically got to be in the way of the hand because this is basically becoming your hand. So actually measuring this. Yeah, this is measuring the vibration. So we do a measurement there. Now, what I'd expect from a measurement, obviously, it would be attached to the meter. Is I'd expect it to be strapped on really securely. So I'm not talking a bit of tape. Yeah, or anything like that, or even held on with a hand. We're talking cable ties, really tightly locked on. I've actually seen companies glue them on and take them back off as well. So, you know, you're trying to get as tight a fit as possible because you're measuring the tool, you're not measuring the hand, yeah? Measuring the tool. When we do a measurement as well, we actually need 3 measurements. And what you'd expect to see is you'd expect to see test 1, test 2, test 3. I've put 4 and 5 there because sometimes when you do vibration measurements, they go wrong. It just happens. You might get a bit of feedback down the wire and it can send the measurement wrong. So it's just good to be aware of, you know, values are going to alter. Now, on a lot of modern vibration measurement equipment, they've got triaxial accelerometers. They actually measure all the different axes. So if you see on here, if I put it, you've got X, you've got Z there, and then you've got Y. Yeah. So you've got actually 3 different sort of accelerometers really inside there working at the same time, and that's giving you the values. Traditionally, what we had to do was you had to measure X, Y and Z and then actually take an average of them all, which is a nice complex bit of maths to do when you're out on site or back at the office. So that's taken care of now with modern equipment. Now when you also do measurements, it's always good practice if you just do a drawing of how you know, so for instance, if I had this drill, like that, and I've got a handle coming off it like that, where I'm putting the accelerometer, yeah, and then what axes we're actually measuring in. This is if we do actually record the axes value, so if we put, I don't know, we put, let's say X was 5.5, Y was 3.2, and Z was 10, we'd actually know what, you know, where the problem was occurring, where all the vibration was coming from. So it's quite handy to just record that data down anyway. So when you do vibration measurements, important to keep the notes, keep all the measurements, do 3 measurements, and then you should take an average of them 3 as the data that you use. Okay? Once you've got that vibration data, and it could be by employing consultants to do it, it could be doing the measurements yourself. This is where it comes to actually using the vibration value. I see a lot of companies do loads of measurements, and I go on about it, harp on about this all the time, yet they do absolutely nothing with the data. It stays in a filing cabinet, it goes in the drawers, no one even thinks about it. Use it, because it's only half the job, remember. Once you've got the vibration measurements, you've still got to find out how long you're using the tool for. That's why we've got our Havis, there's other systems out there. There's a stopwatch. Just use the data and find out what the exposure is when the tools are used. That was a very, very brief insight on vibration measurement. It's not the easiest thing to do, and we always recommend that you use someone who actually does it on a regular basis because they'll be pretty used to it and pretty good at doing it, I'd imagine. Thanks ever so much. Get back in touch. If you need anything, give us a call. Cheers.